Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Just want to share. I found a cute bed that I've been wanting. It is from Temu. It's here. And yeah, we'll build that in a bit. First, let me organize my working space. Let's do this. First step is the headboard. Right now it's 10:26. Good thing it's Friday and there's no work tomorrow, so we can chill, sleep in. Part 2 letter A is done. For the feet board, so tabi ko muna siya. I just realized every single piece pala has its letter, so it's easier to locate which piece is which. Wala nang energy, but nimulan ko to, ginusto ko to, tatapusin ko to. So that should be our quote, and let's do this. Okay, so next na step 5, and then we're gonna be using the drill. Okay, one side down, and then next side. Okay, sidings are done, the drill's done. Then we'll move on to the next one. So it looks like the camera is about to die, but here's the progress. The last thing I need to do is to drill or screw the wood and the sidings, and it's gonna be done. I think I'll just show you the final outcome once it's done, because this camera is about to die. The microphone is already dead, but yeah. I'll see you in a little bit. So here it is, finally it's done. It took me several hours to complete the bed. I in fact slept on it last night before taking this video, but it's finally done and I love it so much. Thank you for watching.